If Facebook feels dead and you refuse to dance on Reels or put your face on camera just for attention, this is for you. Because what's happening right now has nothing to do with effort and everything to do with format. If your post barely gets seen and if you wondered whether you missed the window, you're not crazy. And this isn't a content problem. Give me the next few minutes and I'll explain what actually changed on Facebook, why beginners are suddenly getting reach again, and what you should focus on instead of guessing. In every video, I give you one clear thing you can understand and use immediately. No fluff, no theory, just what's working right now. Plus, if you want the exact breakdown of how to build each format so you're not guessing and it works even if you're starting from zero, drop format in the comments and I'll send it to you. My name is Alwi Batarilan and I work with people who start with zero reach and help them get consistent views on Facebook, even on brand new profiles. By using the format, the platform is actually rewarding. Here's what's actually really happening. Most people think Facebook is dead because their posts only reach followers. And followers don't necessarily engage like they used to. So they assume the platform is broken or that they're late. Because of that, people try harder. They write longer posts, they overthink captions, they experiment randomly, or worse yet, they stop posting altogether. But this isn't an effort problem, it's a format problem. Facebook goes through distribution shifts, periods where it aggressively pushes certain content formats to keep people on the platform longer. I call this the distribution window. As you can see, there's a lot of articles written about the algorithm constantly changing for this purpose. Right now, Facebook is heavily rewarding text posts and image posts, not because they're flashy, but because they stop the scroll and keep people reading. As you can see from my own analytics, text and photo had the highest view type in terms of content. And this is exactly why our post is now being shown to non-followers again, even for small or brand new Facebook profiles, okay? As you can see right here, 61% non-followers and only 38% followers. Here's the part most people miss. Facebook isn't rewarding popularity. It's rewarding behavior. If a post stops the scroll and holds attention, it automatically gets views regardless of your follower count. So instead of trying to be more creative, here's what's working right now. Just 3 simple post formats. Post type 1 is my favorite, the easiest and laziest. It's 100% text post. All it contains is a hook and the value, and you can customize this to whatever it is your niche is, okay? And post type number 2 is what I call the hook plus comment ladder and CTA. It's also 100% text post, but as you can see, the way that we utilize this is by having a strong hook, and we deliver the value in the form of a comments section. And post type number 3 is pretty much almost anything and everything that is image plus text post. As you guys can see, this is a mixture of quotes that's turned into image. It could be a meme, a viral meme. It could be statistics. It could be virtually anything and everything related to your niche or offer. If Facebook hasn't been working for you, it doesn't mean you're behind. It means you've been using outdated formats. And this is actually great news, guys, because it means you don't need reels, you don't need to show your face, you don't even need to be loud, and you don't need a following. You just need the right structure. Now, these 3 formats work, but structure matters. If you want the exact breakdown of how to build each one so you're not guessing and it works even if you're starting from zero, comment format and I'll gladly send it to you. Once you stop guessing what to post, consistency becomes simple. And consistency is what unlocks those massive reach and views. So no, Facebook isn't dead, the window shifted, and once you understand that, everything gets a lot simpler. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let's go.